Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to update your device. First, let's prepare for a smooth process. Always check if your device is compatible with the new software. Make sure your battery is at least 50% charged to prevent interruptions. It's also crucial to back up all your important data before starting. Finally, connect to a strong Wi-Fi network for a quick and stable download. Now let's begin the update. Open your device's settings menu, usually found as a gear icon. Scroll down and find the software update or system update option. Tap on it to check for any new versions available for your device. Once detected, confirm the download and installation. This step might take a few moments, so please be patient. During the update, your device will restart several times. It's very important not to interrupt this process once it has started. The entire installation can take approximately 10 to 30 minutes, depending on the update size and your device's speed. Please refrain from using your device until the update is completely finished and you see your home screen. Congratulations, your device should now be updated. After the update, go back to your settings to verify the new software version. Take some time to explore any new features or improvements that have been introduced. Also, quickly check that all your favorite applications are working as expected. Finally, consider optimizing your device's settings for enhanced performance and battery life.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.